Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust back sensitivity whenever you are using gesture navigations on your Pixel 7a. So how to do that? It is very simple. Simply open your menu. Just swipe the screen upside for getting menu. Then open settings. Then select display and touch. After that, select navigation mode. You can see here now it is on gesture navigation. Click on that settings icon. Then you can see option of left edge. Simply click here. Then you can see the portion that it is increasing and decreasing. So in this way, you can simply adjust the sides. Okay, right side and left side. So this area, whenever you are pressing back side, okay, you can simply use from top to bottom to select back navigations. You can see here. So in this way, you can simply adjustment how many space you need to use that back in your left side or right side. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.